Hey, this is Year 1 Professional, Mike here with a new product. Today we have a headrest mount for GoPro. Today we're going to unbox it, see how hard it is to install, and talk about its main features and any drawbacks that it has. Let's open it up. As you can see, the packaging, it's not really a box, it's more of a bag. Open this up, see what's inside. Alright, so opening this up, ooh, all kinds of good information about what this is. So it's an all-metal construction headrest mount, mounting kit for action cameras, point and shoot, micro four thirds, and more. Got a locking headrest clamp, which securely fastens to any post up to 1/2 inch in diameter, a rock-solid aluminum arm locking ball joints, and 2 locking elbow joints, which allow for the perfect filming angle. We will see. So in the packaging, hopefully you can see this, we got the arm itself, the locking joint system, and then a mount for a 1/4-20 camera, standard mount, along with all the hardware. Ooh, a little lever. This will make it easy. So we'll go ahead and jump in the car, see how hard it is to install. Come on. Now for installation. In the package, it comes with obviously the arm, so it's an Allen key, and 4 additional bolts, but I'm not sure exactly what they go to since it already comes with 4 in the mounting holes. So I don't know, additional. So we'll go ahead and mount this here. Well, the good thing is that because it has so many degrees of freedom, even though you put it here, you can also move it up, move it down, move it to the back, move it forward. So now we took all those out, we gotta put them all back in. Fun. I figured it out. So those extra ones are actually extra long. So the original one is here, the new ones, the ones that are the extra ones, are here. So you can see you get an extra, maybe 1/2 inch, so that if the bracket isn't long enough, that's what the extra 4 are for. Glad I figured that out. That is not going anywhere. Alright, so then we'll put this back in a good position like this. We will grab the GoPro mount. I left that inside. Give me a minute. So the GoPro mount, simple little mount, just tighten that on top, like so, tighten that on, then undo this guy. Oh, yeah, so it's tightening on this mount, undoing this. No, okay. Got it. Alright, I'm going to switch to my phone because I use my GoPro to record. Okay, so we switch that around. So now, I'll take off this thing, and then mount the GoPro up here. Ta-da! Now we can rub this up and down, all around. Bada bang. This one moves, turns like this for some reason. And it's got lots of stops where it feels like it's very solid. Okay, so now I'm going to switch to the GoPro and show you what the view from the mount is like. Now as you can see, now that it's in the car, I have it slightly angled down now that we're in sunlight and we're not just stuck in my garage. It has lots of movement that the arm can do, which is great. Now I've switched it from linear to wide on the camera, so you can see obviously more of my car. Great for adventures on the track, and it was very simple to install. So far with my drive, I haven't heard any movements. It's been very solid, been perfect so far. So I'm impressed with the build quality and just how customizable the angle can be. So that's it for my review. I will do one more video to show how smooth it is in my car. I have coilovers, very hard suspension, so that will be a good test to just see how well it stays in there. Thanks for watching.